Welcome to Ruger Tech Tips. I'm Brandon Trevino, and today I'm going to show you how to disassemble the Ruger-57 pistol. First off, I have a clean workspace. I have removed the source of ammunition. I have no ammunition on the table. I'm wearing my safety glasses, and I'm ready to begin. Starting with the Ruger-57 pistol, of course I'm going to make sure it's clear before I do anything. So I'm checking the chamber right now. There is no ammunition. I'm now ready to disassemble. I have the slide locked to the rear. First thing I'm going to do is on the opposite side of the takedown lever, there's a little button that we need to press. I'll show you how to do that. This is right here. We're going to use just the foot of the magazine, and we're going to press that till you get a nice click. That releases the takedown lever. Now I'm able to rotate that 90 degrees and not any further than that. That's where you're going to stop. Now I'm going to just take the slide and release it and guide it forward with my hand. And I want the slide to come to a position that's just about a quarter inch or so off of the rails. So it's now forward of the rails and I can lift it straight up. Here you have your grip frame and fire control mechanism. There's no further disassembly required here. I can set that aside. With my slide assembly, I'm going to turn it upside down, remove the recoil spring. This is a captured spring. It's going to stay just like that for you. I can set that aside. Going to lift up on the barrel, pull it a little bit back, the barrel comes out, and then you have your slide. You can safely dry fire your Ruger-57 pistol, but please don't dry fire when it's disassembled. That can cause some damage to the internal components. So at this point, your pistol is completely field stripped. There's no further disassembly required for maintenance and cleaning. Thank you for watching this Ruger Tech Tip.